we want to understand, ano po mismo ang kine-question this time ni VP Sara? Is it the committee saying na sinasabi niya na parang nagiging trial court na daw kayo?
Well, lahat kinu-question nila eh. But alam mo, sa totoo lang, we are just following the procedure. We are, in fact, itong procedure, no, itong rules that we are following right now, adopted lamang to ng 20th Congress. So, from 19th Congress pa to na sinusunod. So, wala naman kaming nilalabag dito sa procedure.
Alright, Kong, of course, the Supreme Court, instead of releasing a TRO, has asked the Committee on Justice to reply or comment on the complaint of the Vice President. Is it too early to tell na sa tingin niyo po ba, by doing that, by releasing that ruling ng SC, ay wala po silang nakikitang matinding ebidensya dito sa complaint ng Vice President, or is it too early to tell?
Too early to tell. Pero sa akin, wala naman ako nakikita talagang grounds para mag-TRO ang Supreme Court. As a matter of procedure, siguro, they would ask us to answer. Pero hanggang dun lang yon. Dahil ako, nakikita ko, wala naman ako nakikitang mali sa ginagawa ng Committee on Justice.